Hi Jay, it's Alex Bisset here from HB Communications. Scott reached out to me and asked me to talk to you for a moment about the different layout options on a LifeSize system. So I thought I'd make for you just a quick video to show you how this works. Happen to have a LifeSize system here in front of you, and I'm just capturing the video to my desktop webcam here so that you can see what the different layouts look like and how a LifeSize system works with presentation plus people. So I have a laptop plugged into my LifeSize system, displaying my Macintosh in full screen view with a PowerPoint there, so you can see I can just toggle along, and you can see I could be showing my PowerPoint if I want, or whatever other application. It doesn't matter that it's PowerPoint, it could be any application. But with that plugged in, if I want to go ahead and just make some calls, let me go ahead and bring a couple of folks online here, and we'll add a few players to our conference. So I'll start with first location. And as I recall, you wanted to do four-way calling, so I'll add a second and a third location. So we're in a three-way call, and I'll go ahead and make it a four-way call. Okay, great. So now we have a four-way continuous presence high definition call. We'll go ahead and add our data stream as if we're presenting with the push of a button. And you'll see as soon as I do that, right in the lower part of your screen there, if I bring that toggle back up for you, you'll see that there's 10 different, you see there's a 1 of 10 there. There's 10 different layout options available to you with the push of a button with LifeSize. So now you start with the first option that most people seem to really like. You can make the interface fade away, so that on the right hand side now I have myself plus the other three sites in a tiled view. You have a full screen view on your presentation. I could obviously move my way through and do whatever I wanted to do. Now the other layout options, I'll go ahead and show them to you. Here's 2 of 10, basically allowing me to move any of the sites into this large window in continuous presence mode. So if there was a presenter and I wanted the presentation to be in a small mode and they were somewhere else, I could choose which one I'd want that to be. So there's myself. And obviously when I move now to layout 4 of 10, you can see that basically I have the presentation in full screen mode. All the sites are still there. I could still hear everybody, but right now I might want to focus on just the presentation. So you can see it's quite nice where you could have just the presentation in front of you at that time. If I keep going, let's go to 5. So 5 again, a site where the tiles, I can make them go away, isolate any site. We'll go to 6. 7. 8. Again, making any of these full screen and the tiles fade away when you want them to. And 9 is myself, don't need to see that. And then 10 is back to what we would consider to be continuous presence mode. And what's great about LifeSize is that you don't have to look at yourself. You can see myself there in the middle as a reference point. I have my webcam up there so I can take this video for you, but I can make that go away. Again, just the press of a button on your remote, interface fades away, and now you have a 4-way continuous presence high definition call, 3 sites plus my site and the data stream, and that's layout 10 of 10. But again, here's the most common, layout 1 of 10. This may be the one you were looking for, and I hope that's helpful. Just wanted to show you that, and please do give me a call and send me a note if I can be helpful. Thanks very much. Talk to you later, Jay.